Can I legally stop talking to my dad if he has legal custody of me but I live with my mom full time? This is a good question because it deals with an issue that the law either has not addressed or addressed very well or cannot effectively address. First, is there any legally permissible and practicable way to force a child to talk with a parent? Well, I don't see how a parent whose child refuses to speak to him or her could compel that child, through the legal process of all things, to speak with or otherwise communicate with that parent. Now, of course, if a parent and his or her lawyer wanted to get really creative about this problem, I can imagine that the parent and some lawyer might dream up some kind of civil lawsuit against the child for negligent or intentional infliction of emotional distress or other such nonsense. But in the end, I don't see how one could use the legal system to compel a child to speak with or communicate with a parent if that child refuses to do so. This does not mean, however, that a parent is powerless in dealing with a recalcitrant child. While a parent cannot neglect or physically or emotionally abuse a child in an effort to compel the child to speak with or otherwise communicate with that parent, there's certainly nothing wrong with taking legal and reasonable disciplinary action against the child. Grounding, privilege restrictions and removal, even corporal punishment. Yes, it's legal in many jurisdictions, including Utah. These are all options available to a parent, and they might work. Now, for a parent to try every other option and still not succeed, there are measures a parent can try and that may be worth trying under appropriate circumstances. But the legal process, probably not your best option.